Have you ever wondered how some aquariums keep the water crystal clear without the need for powerful filters or chemical treatments? The answer lies in nature. A healthy aquarium is more than just a glass box filled with water. It is a living ecosystem created by plants, bacteria, fish, and microorganisms working together. The foundation of natural filtration starts with beneficial bacteria. These microscopic organisms colonize porous surfaces, such as lava rock, biological media, and aquarium subfloors. They convert toxic ammonia, produced from fish waste, into nitrate, and then nitrate, through a process known as nitrogen cycle. But the process does not stop there. Live aquatic plants act as powerful natural filters. They absorb nitrates and other dissolved nutrients directly from water, reducing pollution while promoting healthy growth. The more plant mass an aquarium contains, the higher its ability to protect the Floating plants provide an additional layer of purification. Species such as water lettuce, frogbit, and salvinia grow rapidly, and algae consume excess nutrients without feeding. Together, beneficial bacteria, porous substrates, and aquatic plants form a self-sufficient biological filtration system that continuously cleans water naturally. The result is nothing short of extraordinary. Crystal clear water, healthier fish, reduced maintenance, and a more natural look. Instead of fighting nature, this approach works with nature and transforms your aquarium into a balanced ecosystem that virtually provides maintenance. This is the real secret of naturally clear aquarium water. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, comment, and share the video.